What if I told you that choosing the wrong motorhome could cost you $40,000 more than you need to spend and ruin your first year of RV life? Today, we're settling the biggest RV debate of 2025. Class A is a Class C motorhomes, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one you should buy. Yeah, let's save you money, stress, and buyer's regret. If you're shopping for a motorhome in 2025, chances are you're overwhelmed. Every dealer says their rig is the best. Every YouTube comment section is divided, and every buyer's guide seems to contradict the last one. But here's the truth most people won't tell you. A Class A and Class C motorhomes are built for completely different lifestyles. They're not just different in size. They differ in cost, comfort, drivability, maintenance, learning curve, and long-term ownership stress. So today, we're doing a real-world comparison, not sales hype. We'll break this down into cost, purchase plus real ownership, drivability and confidence, living space and comfort, maintenance and reliability, who each class is actually for, and finally, my honest 2025 recommendation. By the end, you'll know which one fits your travel style, budget, and experience level. Quick overview, what is a Class S Class C? Before we compare, let's get clear. Class A motorhome, built on a bus-style chassis, flat front, panoramic windshield, length 26-45 feet, often diesel or gas, designed for luxury, long-term travel, or full-time living. Think rolling apartment on wheels. Class D motorhome, built on a truck or van chassis, recognizable by the cab over bunk, length 20-33 feet, mostly gas-powered, designed for ease of use, family trips, and flexibility. Think big SUV meets small apartment. Now let's get into the real differences. Round 1. Cost, purchase price, and real ownership. Purchase price in 2020. Let's talk numbers, real ones. Class C motorhome, 2025. Entry level, $85,000, $110,000. Mid-range, $120,000, $160,000. High-end Super C, $180,000, $250,000. Class A motorhome, 23. Entry-level gas, $130,000, $170,000. Mid-range gas, $180,000, $250,000. Diesel pusher luxury, 300,000 dealers, 600,000. Place. Bottom line, a Class A will almost always cost more upfront. Hidden ownership costs most buyers ignore. This is where people get burned. Fuel costs. Class A, larger engine, heavier weight. More fuel. Class C, better MPG, lighter frame. In real-world driving, Class A, 6 to 9 MPG. Class C, 9 to 14 MPG. Over 10,000 miles per year? That's thousands of dollars difference. Insurance. Class A, higher replacement value, higher premiums. Class C, often similar to large truck insurance. Storage and parking. Class A often requires paid storage. Specialized RV lots, HOA restrictions. Class C fits in more driveways, easier urban parking, less stress. Cost verdict, or choose Class C if you want lower financial risk. That's choose Class A if budget is flexible and comfort is priority. It's round 2, drivability, confidence behind the wheel. This is where many first-time buyers underestimate reality. Class C driving experience. Pros, drives like a large truck or van. Familiar cockpit, easier lane awareness, less intimidating. If you've driven pickup trucks, box vans, large SUVs, yeah, you'll adapt fast. Class A driving experience. Pros, incredible visibility, commanding road presence, smooth ride, especially diesel. Cons, wide turns, long braking distance, wind sensitivity, steep learning curve. Class A feels amazing, but only after confidence builds. Class C, tight campground loop, clean turn. Class A, needs wide swing, backup correction. That moment alone decides it for many buyers. Drivability verdict. The Class C wins for beginners, cities, and tight campgrounds. Class A wins for highway cruising and experienced drivers. In round 3, living space, comfort versus practicality. Now let's talk lifestyle. Interior space, Class A. This is where Class A shines. Flat floor throughout, full-width living room, larger kitchens, residential refrigerators, king-size beds, washer-dryer options, massive basement storage, if you plan, long trips, full-time living, working remotely, Oh, Class A feels like home. Interior space, Class C. Smaller but smarter. Cab over bunk, just extra sleeping. Compact but efficient layouts. Easier climate control. Less wasted space. Perfect for families, weekend warriors, national park travel, sleeping and guest flexibility. Class C, better for kids and guests. Class A, better for couples or solo luxury. Space verdict. Class A, maximum comfort and luxury. Class C, messo, smart space and versatility. Round 4, maintenance and long-term ownership. This part really matters in Twinasis 105. Class C maintenance, built on 4D series. Chevy chassis, meaning widely available parts, any truck mechanic can service it. Lower labor costs, faster repairs. This is huge for road trips. Class A maintenance, especially diesel pushers. Specialized mechanics, longer service waits, higher labor rates. More complex systems, not bad, just more commitment. Reliability reality. Class C wins for simplicity, reliability, peace of mind. Class A wins for ride comfort, longevity if maintained well. Maintenance verdict. Satu Class C there's no lower stress ownership. But Class A, premium ownership experience. Who should buy a Class C in 2025? You should strongly consider a Class C motorhome if this is your first motorhome. You travel with kids or friends. You want flexibility and mobility. You plan shorter trips or national parks. You want lower total ownership cost. You don't want driving anxiety. Class C is the smartest entry point into RV life. Who should buy a Class A in 2025? A Class A motorhome makes sense if you've owned RVs before. Comfort matters more than cost. You plan long stays or full-time travel. You want luxury, space, and stability. You're confident behind the wheel. You see this as a lifestyle investment. Class A is about experience, not convenience. And final verdict, which should you buy in 2025? Here's the honest truth. There is no universal winner, but there is a right choice for you. Choose Class C if you want value, you want confidence, you want freedom without fear. Choose Class A if you want luxury, you want space, you want the road to feel like home. In 2026, we're seeing better Class C layouts, more luxury Super Cs, downsizing
We're
trends,
just checking the
smarter
serpentine
buyers
belt for any
prioritizing
signs of
flexibility.
wear and tear,
If you're
and
unsure,
ensuring the fluid
start
levels
with a
are
Class C,
optimal for the road.
upgrade later. Very few people regret starting small. Many regret starting too big. If this comparison is helping you make a smarter decision, hit like and subscribe. We're posting a daily motorhome series. And the next video breaks down new versus used motorhomes in 2026. So before you sign that contract, before you stretch your budget, before you commit to years of ownership, ask yourself one question: do I want confidence or comfort? Because now you know. Class C gives you confidence, Class A gives you comfort. Drop a comment below. Yo, Class A or Class C? Which one are you choosing in 2025? And I'll see you in the next upload.